Hi, I'm Darren from Watercolour Mentor and welcome to the class. In this class, I'm going to be showing you how to paint some beautiful, vibrant landscapes using a few different principles and techniques that I'll be going through. One of the biggest questions I get from beginners is how do I get my landscapes, how do I get my paintings looking more vibrant? It seems that you've got such bright colours in here and really nice darks. How do you get that effect of just that vibrancy and that high contrast? So there's a few things that I do which I talk about in the class, but mainly what I do is that I actually use certain color combinations to emphasize this effect. So I use a nice combination of warm and cool colors and also exaggerate the light and the dark areas in the painting. So I'll talk about how you go through and get this effect and how you can apply this principle to pretty much any painting. So you can even pick up pictures that are really dull looking. If you notice for some of the reference photos in this actual class, they're quite dull and there's not much color in them as well. What you can do is you can actually change them up and emphasize, exaggerate things in it. And you have to sometimes do that with your watercolors because what might look really nice as a photo, when you start actually painting it, it's just a little bit too flat and boring because with photographs, they capture a huge range of tones, whereas with your paintings, it's not going to be possible unless you spend many hours to try to get in all those little tones. So if you're painting something within an hour or so, which is for most of these paintings here, you're really going to need to exaggerate some areas of light and dark and also manipulate some of the colors so that you can get some really beautiful and vibrant effects. So by the end of the class, you're going to be confident enough to turn any reference photo into a nice and vibrant painting, and you'll feel much more confident in terms of how to approach these type of landscapes, and you'll feel a lot more confident in knowing how to plan together aspects of your painting, compositions, colors, to really get that vibrant effect.